Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful designs. Very stunning videos. You look very prettiest designs ideas. And this video is all about the crochet scatter frocks. Crochet scatter frocks are used in different pattern, different stylish videos. Different perfective videos are elegant designs, elegant videos, keep more attractive, keep more stunning, are good looking designs. We have to share with newest videos, newest designs and attractive videos, ideas of scattered frocks. Scatter frocks are used in different pattern, different stylish videos and more creative and elegant videos. Just looking like a fantastic designs. Our elegant designs keep more attractive, keep more stunning and impressive videos. So elegant, so gorgeous, just looking like a fantastic designs in attractive videos, and you will be amazing and gorgeous designs and attractive videos. I have shared with you. I want to share a very beautiful video, very stunning designs and much amazing videos. If you want any videos related to any pattern, related to any gorgeous designs. If you guys are interested in my videos, in these stunning, these creative and fantastic designs, so I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all new members will be gorgeous, will be amazing designs. If you guys are interested in my videos in my channel, this is fantastic and elegant videos, ideas. Or stay connected with our channel. So take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.